Hi everyone, it's Happy Mail Queen. Happy Sunday to everybody. So today I wanted to play with this die right here from KSCRAFT, and I thought I'd go ahead and just do a tutorial since I'm putting this together, and some of you guys I know like tutorials. So let's go ahead and put this witch topper together. And so it comes with the base piece right here. When you cut that base piece, it's going to look like this. It's actually like this. And then you fold it, and then your witch is this one right here. This is the base of the silhouette of the witch and the broom. It's stitched, so the witch, this part is stitched. And your witch is going to be oriented this way, just to let you know, when you layer that. So your witch is going to be facing that way. So here's that again. So that's the base. I did this base in black using 100-pound cardstock. So once folded, and then I wanted a gold background, but I wanted the sturdiness of this. So what you can do is just cut only the front part, and then I'm going to end up gluing that like so. So I have gold, because at first I thought I wanted black, but then it blended too much with like the hat, I think, or the moon. So I decided to go with gold. So anyway, that's the base. These are how it the witch looks like. You can see there, and like I said, you can see the details here with the stitching. This one I cut in felt. I wanted to see how that was, you know, how well it was going to cut, and it cut like butter. So there's that one, and then here are the other pieces. So I have the moon right here. I cut it in purple, and also this pattern paper right here, and I really like the little moon on this one, so I wanted to use it. And then I wanted to cut it in this because so I can show you that there's little craters that is embossed on there when you use the die right here. My witch hat is here again. It's going to be oriented the opposite way, going that way. These little pieces right here, that is this one right here, which is from the, you know, this, well, you can separate it, but I didn't want to lose that little itty bitty tiny piece, but that is the little belt, I guess, for the hat. And then here are the broom pieces. So I cut it in this kind of a coppery color glitter cardstock. All right, so let's put this together. We'll go ahead and do the silver one first, and I am going to use, let's see, the black witch, I think, for this one, and the black moon. Wait, hold on. Sorry, purple moon. So the purple moon. Okay, so I'm going to use Fabri-Tac when I attach this one, because I usually use fabric for this. It adheres better, and then I'm going to use art glitter glue for the rest of the pieces because they're paper. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is put your moon on there. Okay, let's see. Let's just make sure that this is how I want it. And then you would put your witch next. And then, yeah, and then the hat, which is fine. And then this. Okay, so just not too many pieces, just a few pieces here. And then the hat, of course, and I want the purple like that. Okay, so let's go ahead and glue this together. I always like to see it, just give a little preview first so that I know exactly how it's gonna look like. So I'm gonna go ahead and glue the moon. Okay, so then I'm gonna go ahead and put my witch. And this is not felt, by the way, this is like flocked paper, in case I didn't say that. I'm going to go ahead and put this on there now. So there, that's it. Super cute, right? And then let's go ahead and put this one together. This one has an extra layer. So for the sentiment, I thought we'd go ahead and use this set of dies, which has the shadow piece also, and this one is I think it's called the New Halloween, let's see, what is it called? New Halloween Shadow. So Ghost, Treats, Witch, and Fright. And so I already put this one together, so this is how the Fright looks like. I love the font on this one, and I just love everything about it. It's so easy to put together. We'll go ahead and put a couple of them together. Here's the Ghost, and I'm gonna use Witch, and I'm gonna use Treats. So let's go ahead and put that together real quick. So I'm going to put this treat bag on an actual treat. So I'm using this clear cellophane bag. I think it measures 3 7/8 by 9.5. And so I just cut some paper with this is a Martha Stewart paper. It's the same one with the moon on it, and you can kind of see it right there. So I just cut it to size. I did 3 3/4 by 9, and then I put these Hello Panda treats on there. I put 3. You can fit 3 in there. And then all we're going to do is to put double-sided tape here and here. So let's do that. glue that like so. And then the back like so. Oops. Just kind of line it up if you could. Well, I already appeared it. So anyway, but it looks like that. Isn't that adorable? So cute. With the snacks. And here's the other one. This one I just added a little gem right there. Little gem for the eye. Above the eye. Alright, so that is my little project share for today. And hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you're interested in these dies, just make sure you go in my description box and click on it, and it'll take you to the store, and you can find the witch bag topper and also the Halloween shadow words. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye!